Hey, what's up guys? In today's quick video, we are going to break down how we create a layout for a Laravel 11 app using Bootstrap for styling and Blade component to keep things modular. So let's just right in. First, let's create our main layout folder in the resource directory. So in the resource views, let's create a layout directory called layout and create a app.blade.php file. We will have this file as a main layout and we will insert other layout component into this file. Now we will add bootstrap related code. As you can see right now we have just a basic file. So let's add a bootstrap file. I have find one of the starter template from the bootstrap starter templates. So let's just copy this and we will add that into our app.layout file. Now if I remove this one and includes layouts.app file, it should show the bootstrap file here. Yeah, you can see it is showing the bootstrap file that we have just copied, but it is in a one single file right now. So now we will break down this file into smaller components and that we can use in whenever we need in other layout of the themes too. So let's create components and here first we will create a navbar blade.php. Now just simply cut this navbar from here and put here. So our navbar component is created. So now if we see here, navbar is not coming in the main template. So we have to include here. It is like include, and as it is in component directly, we have to call that components.navbar, and the navbar is again showing here, but it is coming from the component that we have created recently. Now we will make this content dynamic. So to do that, we will for now remove this content and we will add a blade directive yield that's called content. Okay, so in the first place we just included the layout, but now we want to use it as a file, so we have to change it to extends. So now it will extend this layout in this file, and if now we want to add some text here, like if you refresh here, uh, the center text is gone. So now we want to change that text, so we need to run this section directive and the content that we have added and the section direction. Okay, so you can see the content is coming, but this content is not written in the app.blade file. It is written on welcome file where we have extend this layout, and it is showing the content from welcome.blade.php file. Now we will create a new view file for a new root. So let's create that as a home.plat.php, and we will do same thing here, like extend our layout, and we will add some other content here. Okay, we have created two page, but how we will show the second page here with the same layout? For that, we need to create one root that assigned to that particular view with root. So we have already welcome root here. So we will copy this code and create a new root called home, and we will pass the view name as a home. Now if we change the URL to home, you can see the page content of home, but the design will be same. As you can see, design is not changed, but page content is changing. So this is the basic thing of templating. Like, you can create a one theme or template that can use a dynamic page and content. You can also change the menu in the nav bar. That uh, changing in a one place will affect everywhere. Like, uh, let's remove some of the content here and change like welcome, home. So you can see it shows welcome and home. Right now there is link is not assigned, so let me assign the link. So it can change the page directly. You can see it changing the page from the name bar directly, and without changing any of the theme part. So you don't have to load all the content every time, and you can create easy themes for your Laravel application. And that's how you can break down the layout in reusable blade components in Laravel 11. This method keeps your code cleaner and easier to maintain. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick Laravel tutorials. See you in the next one.